While you are still feeling the pinch over that $20 monthly bill for ChatGPT Plus, or letting 100 must-learn AI tools gather dust in your bookmarks, OpenAI co-founder Andrej Karpathy tore the mask off large models in just one weekend. 200 lines of pure Python. No bloated libraries. No sky-high computing black boxes. It coldly tells you so-called intelligence is essentially just a piece of mathematical logic that can fit in a backpack. And you? After a year of hard work, you have learned nothing. You have not even realized how you became a digital slave. This past year, you have not been learning AI, you have just been a diligent, self-funded tester in the big tech shopping festivals. Make AI work for you. I am Tsui. Yesterday, my cousin came to me complaining. He said he had been teaching himself since last year's big model craze, trying every mainstream model, knowledge base, and note-taking app out there. He even thought he knew AI better than anyone around him. But in the end, he realized he still could not build a thing. Hearing that just made me feel helpless. If you call downloading Facebook, Instagram, and Amazon and going on a shopping spree learning e-commerce, then yeah, you have learned it pretty well. But the reality is, those AI products were designed with one primary goal: to make them easy enough for any fool to use. If you are still researching how to like a piece of software, I really cannot comment on your learning ability. In this era of systemic collapse, if you do not rebuild your productivity logic from the ground up, your so-called effort is nothing more than paying an attention tax to the algorithm. Why do you get more anxious the more you learn? Because you have fallen into a carefully designed efficiency trap. According to a DX research tracking survey of 120,000 developers, even though 92.6% of them are using AI tools, overall productivity growth has hit a weird plateau after reaching 10%. You think AI is saving you time by writing code or reports, but the truth is, the time you spend cleaning up after the AI and dealing with low-quality garbage info is swallowing your life even faster. This phenomenon has a code name in academia: the productivity paradox. You say 4 hours of manual labor, but then spend 5 hours proofreading those AI hallucinations that look logical but are actually pure nonsense. You are not becoming more efficient, you are just working harder to maintain a fake prosperity with almost zero growth. If you think this is just an efficiency issue, you are being too naive. Big tech is not just sucking your blood, they are messing with your head. Look at OpenAI's API, pricing on the surface, $0.0002 per 1,000 tokens, looks as cheap as a giveaway. But in reality, the more you try to seek efficiency by piling up tools and solidifying systems, the more fragile the system becomes, and the more violently entropy increases. "2,000 years ago, the Eastern philosopher Laozi said in the Tao Te Ching, 'Do nothing, and everything is done.' In the AI era, this has a new interpretation. Real awakening is realizing that you do not need to play along with this broken system anymore. When you stop seeking approval from algorithms and stop being led by the nose by so-called new versions, that is when you truly gain freedom. AI should be the clay in your hands, not your overseer. In this era where data is energy, you either become the creator of the system, or you are destined to become fuel for the algorithm." After learning for a year, did you actually get stronger, or did you just become a more obedient, more anxious AI slave? If you do not start hand-coding your first automation script that belongs only to you right now, then by next Valentine's Day, the one being euthanized might be your career. Go to the comments and tell me what is that 1 hour of repetitive work you do every day that is the most painful and you want to delete the most. I have put automation scripts for the most typical daily repetitive tasks of self-media creators on Patreon. If you are interested, go check them out.